Hey, good morning. Welcome back. Pat Sullivan, Denny Smith. It's Saturday's Home and Garden program, and it is brought to you by our title sponsor, Michaelis. And joining us from the Michaelis Corporation is Bart Fisher and Jon McClain. And Jon is from the sister company, Superior Healthy Indoor Air.
Look at you.
Guys, how are you?
Got it right. We're doing well, Jon.
Yeah. It's on our shirt.
So let's talk to Jon
Bart
first.
has a shirt that says Michaelis. Jon has a shirt that says Superior Indoor. They're not stupid.
Yeah, so down in the crawl space, we got mold, we got mildew, we've got...
And wait a minute, not only are they the title sponsor of this show, but they are also a sponsor of the Remembering Rita.
Well, how cool is that?
Yeah, thank you very much. We appreciate that. I always hate, I hate reaching out to Richard and asking him for a donation, and then he gets mad if I don't.
Yeah, just in time for 2021. It was like Thursday.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Jon McClain joins us from Superior. And you're the guys that get in there when you've got stuff in the house, you can't figure out what it is, the house stinks, you got to get it out.
Correct.
What's the approach? Do you test first, or what?
No, first thing they do is to make sure that they account for family members and all the pets.
Make sure everybody's there. The
That's
dog.
the first thing.
pet.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Yes. There's a lot of truth to that. Typically, we do test. That's the initial stage of the process. Once we get done with that, we evaluate and determine the proper method of cleaning. Basically.
So it's not only cleaning, but then also figuring out what
Correct.
the source is and taking care of
The
that.
source is the most important.
Is it always moisture?
With mold, typically,
Yeah.
yes. 9 times out of 10, that would be correct. And the moisture can come from anywhere. Sometimes it's even lumber. We've seen
Really?
situations where it's even lumber not being properly dried out.
Well, we had that problem once. They used to impregnate, the timbers that would not rot, and they put in formaldehyde, they put in a whole bunch of chemicals, and we didn't know that back in the 60s and 70s, and then all of a sudden people started getting sick in the houses.
Yep.
We didn't know.
Yep, exactly. And in addition just to mold, we do complete indoor air quality.
Will you do radon?
We do.
You
Yep. That's a big area, and I think it's an upcoming one.
Watch this. What's the threshold for picocuries per liter?
4.0.
God.
Yes.
It used to be 20. You guys are getting picky now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's always been 4.
No, it has not.
How old are you?
Old enough.
I'll be 69.
Bart, what the hell do you do over at Michaelis?
I basically run the business development department and do things like this on a daily basis, helping the community.
Take a few more days like this.
It's a rough job, but I step in whenever I need to.
Because Boogie Nights is playing. Have you guys been through the buffet yet?
We got called away from our food to come over here to chat with you guys. And
So look at that.
We already short then.
Arden's eating your food right now.
So the brisket turned out really good. So we're excited about the brisket.
Was that catered in or made here right here at Sullivan's?
Nice. So my son Joe put that on. I think some were on an egg and some were on the Traeger.
Okay.
And then he put them on at 8 o'clock last night. Took them off like at 9:30.
Did he have to sleep here to do that?
He did. He was
dedication to the
let's
trade.
Just say that he was really close in one of these houses over here.
Hey, I want to brag on you. My plumbing colleagues think the world of Michaelis. You guys are the ones that come in and sort of clean up plumbing messes, because a lot of plumbers, they know they got water, they know they got all these issues. But I got to tell you, when I start hearing my plumbers brag on Michaelis, my colleagues from all these years, it makes me feel like $1 million to know that you guys are associated with this show.
Yeah, we try to take care of them. They have their name on a situation as well as we have our name on a situation.
That's
so
exactly
we respect that a lot when we get those referrals.
And plumbers don't want to work with when you get a flood in the ceiling, you lose a ceiling, it goes down, it ruins everything. They don't want to mess with that. They don't know what to do. They know how to fix the pipe.
They want to fix the pipe.
They just need some Uncle Louie to come in and help.
The first thing you do is get the toilet paper off your face. And then you look for 844. Fix Cindy. Once you can see.
Once you know what's happening.
All right. So Jon McClain and Bart Fisher. How many people have asked you about the movie?
I've lost count.
Yeah.
I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Many times.
Yippee-ki-yay.
Yes.
There you go. Thank you very much, guys. We'll let you get back to your buffet.
Appreciate that.
So remember the Michaelis Corporation, available to you 24/7, 365, 844-FIX-INDY. Give them the tagline, Denny. With emotion.
Water storms, fire, foundation, life's gonna happen, but Michaelis happens to help you get through it.
That sounded fake.
844-FIX-INDY. Well, come on, you put me up to this.
Come on, I know, but it just sounded fake.
Michaelis happens to help you through it. That's what we want to say.
That sounded a little better.
Bart and Jon, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thanks, gentlemen.
Thanks, guys. Yep.